Hi and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 17th of November with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hand Tech Markets. Moving on to euro dollar now, and the euro had this sharp reversal on Friday, big bullish outside day, following on from a sharp move against the dollar generally on Friday afternoon. And that sort of looked to just improve the outlook near term, certainly taking the euro to a 1 week high. But if you look on this daily chart, you've still got this big neckline of the head and shoulders continuation pattern that we've had in place, and also this downtrend that comes in basically both around that $1.26 mark. But in the last couple of hours, we've had the euro turn around quite sharply once again, having been up quite strongly in Asian trading. The Europeans have sold the euro quite significantly. Well, more specifically, they're buying the dollar, because all these forex pairs are turning around more dollar positive, but still certainly the euro is back under pressure again. You look at these momentum indicators, there's nothing really that suggests, well, I mean, RSI falling away, MACD line still negative. I mean, you could argue the Stochastics rising is a positive argument, but I still think this is just unwinding an oversold scenario that we've got, and rallies are a chance to sell on euro, and I still believe that. I will believe that for certainly until at least that we break above that 27.70 mark, which was that reaction high there in late October. But yeah, certainly under 26, I think there's a big chance to sell. You look at this on the intraday hourly chart. This $1.2577 level that we saw in early November, that is actually the latest key reaction high, because that was the level that we got to before the latest low, the latest key low, and we haven't sort of been back above that. And actually overnight today, if I zoom in slightly here, we've actually hit that to the pip, 25.77. So you would argue that that remains intact. The bearish outlook remains intact, and I mean, look at that, just through the late Asian trading into European, this really has begun to accelerate to the downside again. Looking at these momentum indicators on the hourly chart as well, MACD sell signal, RSI falling sharply, Stochastics falling sharply into negative sort of bearish outlook. So it certainly looks like the euro is back under pressure again. And I think anything sort of today that you see as a recovery in the euro back towards sort of 125, maybe 125.10, which is a bit of a resistance now, being coinciding with that 25.09 and the 25.12 that reaction low that we saw overnight. I think anything back towards that sort of level is a chance to sell, and I think we're going to see further testing to the downside. I don't really see this, certainly the reaction that we've had in the European trading would suggest that that is not the end of the line for the dollar bulls, and they've still got further moves to make. And I think any sort of rebound in this euro dollar chart is a chance to sell it. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.